It stands for professional, cost-conscious and environmentally friendly farming. It stands for outstanding results and unbeatable productivity. It stands for time-tested quality from Fendt. The new 9470X, the answer to the question of efficiency. The new hybrid combine is the intelligent combination of time-tested threshing technology with highly efficient rotor technology. The Fendt 9470X is powered by the new AGCO Sisu Power 7-cylinder engine and delivers a massive 500 horsepower for maximum performance and output capacity. With the X-series, Fendt offers the first combine with environmentally friendly E3 technology. The highly efficient use of fuel and the long service intervals guarantee high profitability for professional farming. The Fendt hybrid combine is also equipped with the efficient power flow header, which has proven itself over many decades even under the most difficult operating conditions. A cutting speed of 1,200 strokes per minute guarantees a uniform, clean cut. The power flow belts ensure active crop flow to the intake auger. The crop is fed into the threshing system heads first, which makes threshing easier and gentler with a lower power requirement and less breakage. The cutting height control is adjusted using the terminal and automatically guides the table along the contours of the ground. The new HyPerforma threshing and separating system is unique in regards to efficiency. The 3-drum threshing system has an extremely heavy threshing cylinder, which guarantees smooth running even at maximum output. 2 large loading bays ensure optimum material flow to the rotors. The crop is actively fed into the separating area. Here, 2 4.2 meter long separation rotors provide gentle and highly efficient separation over an area of 3.54 square meters. With a constant flow system, operators can keep the machine at the output limit the entire time it is in operation. The innovative Venturi cleaning system guarantees optimum air distribution over the entire sieve area and therefore the cleanest sample. The grain tank is unloaded at a rate of 90 liters per second. The process can easily be controlled with a multifunction lever. All the settings and adjustments for the combine are made in the Fendt FieldStar terminal. You have everything under control at all times, because it is clear that those who want to achieve more need the highest operating comfort. The modern spacious cab in the 9470X guarantees just that. The Fendt hybrid combine can be equipped with the optional automatic steering system Topcon 150. That way, you are always on the right track. The Fendt 9470X gives you the choice, either best quality straw or uniformly spread chopped material. The 8-row high output chopper processes the straw thoroughly and spreads it uniformly. The maxi spread radial spreader is ideally suited for large working widths. The new Fendt 9470X, the intelligent combination for outstanding results and unparalleled productivity.